Hey everyone, welcome to Mac. In this video we're gonna cook a wonderful tomahawk steak covered with 24K gold. This piece of meat has 2 inches width and 2.5 pounds, and I pay only $46 in my town butcher shop. This cut has a terrific intramuscular fat. This is not Wagyu, this is just US prime. An American Wagyu steak like this may cost around $250, $100 or even more. Just to let you know, eating gold is really safe, and you can buy it in Amazon shop, the link down below in the description. The first step is clean the bone. We have to remove all the fat and the skin of the bone. We are going to make the traditional English cut, and it's really simple. After cleaning the bone, we have to remove the extra fat located in the lower part of the steak. The extra fat may cause the fire rises and burn the steak. And there is a tomahawk with an English cut ready to be seasoned. For this piece of meat, we're gonna use only salt. For barbecues, I'm always down to use the kosher salt because it has a mid-sized grain that matches great with a steak. We green some black pepper on it, and at the end, garlic powder. And here is our tomahawk. It's ready to go. Let's start the charcoal. We put it in the Weber, put the grill on, and let the tomahawk dance on the floor. We're gonna let it sit on the grill for 5 minutes per side. What we want is to get the steak seared and keep the juices inside. When we get done with the searing, let's put the tomahawk just right in the other side. We add a little wood just for smoking. You can use the one that you want. You cook, you choose. We put the lid on the Weber. Set the vent half open and let it rest inside for 15 minutes more or less. After 15 minutes, we flip it over and we can see our steak is still pallid. But don't worry, it'll get pretty tan really soon. Let's check the temperature, and it says it's 138 Fahrenheit. We are looking for a temperature between 145 and 150 Fahrenheit for a medium well turn. After 15 minutes, take a look on this. It is juicy, it's 10 and ready to go. But before, let's check the temperature. And it's right on the spot. It's 147 Fahrenheit, it's ready to eat. Check this out. I would say with this color, gall isn't necessary. We're gonna wrap this steak with aluminum foil and we'll let it rest for 10 minutes. If we cut the steak now, we're gonna see how the juice is gonna start escaping. We don't want that. So we keep it in aluminum foil really wrapped for 10 minutes. Let me show you something. This is the edible 24K gold that we're gonna use. Isn't that expensive? You can buy it on Amazon for around 30 bucks. After unwrapping this animal, we start covering with this gold laid. I have to say you have to be very delicate and precise. Every gold laid is very weak, and even with the wind it can be destroyed. We continue doing one by one till covering the whole steak. And here is a 24K golden steak that costs $1,000 only for $70. Oh, by the way, do you want to see how juicy it is? I'll show you. It is really juicy and the taste just incredible. Thank you for stopping by at Mundo Grill. Don't forget your like and subscription. And I see you on the next video.
Bye bye.